These days, there are a lot of AI video making tools available, but today I want to introduce you to an AI video generator that's built right into ChatGPT. This tool is part of the free version of ChatGPT, and you can log in directly through ChatGPT. Not only does it generate scripts for you, but it also adds voiceovers, images, stock videos, animations, background music, subtitles, and even gives you a free option to download your video in 1080p. The features of this AI video generator are so comprehensive, you might not find anything quite like it in other video making tools. Let's dive into the demo, but before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Once you're in ChatGPT, click on the button on the left side that says Explore GPT. In the search box, type Visla and press Enter. You'll see the first link, Video Maker GPT by Visla. Select that, and you'll be prompted with a box. Click on Start Chat, and this will open up the interface you'll see if you come directly to this page. If you'd like, I can drop the link in the description of my video for you. You can click on it to access the page. This video maker is available within the free version of ChatGPT. The tool offers 4 main options. The first option is create a video from the uploaded PDF. This means if you have a script written in any PDF file, you can upload it here, and the tool will generate a full video based on that script. The second option is analyze current social media trends for videos. If you're looking for trending topics, this tool can analyze social media trends and create a video based on those popular themes. The third option is create a video about. This is perfect if you have a video topic in mind but don't have a script or anything else prepared. You can just input the topic, and the AI will generate the entire video for you. The fourth option is create narrated videos from these images.
If you have a bunch of images and want to create a video from them, just click the Attach Files button, upload your images, and the tool will turn them into a video. Today, I'll demonstrate the third option, create a video about. When I click on it, Visla asks for more details, like the video's topic, target audience, style, and platform. Once I provide these details, the video will be created exactly as requested. I'll use the prompt, make a video about the benefits of artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market. Highlight the industries most affected, the jobs at risk, and the new career opportunities AI is creating. My target audience is 20 to 45 years old, and the video is for YouTube. After specifying the topic, audience, platform, and tone of the video, I'll click the black arrow button. Visla will confirm, and in just a few seconds, it tells me that my video has been successfully created, and I can customize it further. Let's click the link to see the video. The video covers the impact of AI, showing how it's reshaping industries by creating new roles in data analysis and innovation, while also eliminating some positions due to automation. The video is amazing. We only provided the topic, and based on that, the tool created the entire video from scratch. The script is on the left, and the video is ready to use on the right. If you want to make any changes to the video, click the Save to Edit button. After copying the claim code, paste it here and click Save Video. This opens up the full editing interface, where you can adjust the script, modify scene lengths, change background visuals, or delete unnecessary elements. You can also add your own voiceover or select from AI-generated voices, adjust voice and background music volumes, add text, and more. For example, to add text, click Add New Text, place the text box wherever you want, and customize it by changing the font, size, color, and alignment. Similarly, you can modify the video's style, subtitles, graphics, and transitions. Once you've made all the changes, click the Export button. You can download your video in 1080p for free, or if you want it in 4K, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.